Hello everyone, my name is Siddhant and in this video today I am going to tell you a quick method from which you can increase the subscribers of your YouTube channel for entirely free. So the method that I am going to tell you and show you in this video step by step is a top secret that I am going to reveal in this video. And in this one code only, okay, using one code only, you will skyrocket your subscribers of your YouTube channel. So knowing the code, this one line of code only will not be enough. You also have to know how to use that code and use that code in an effective manner and increase the subscribers. So please watch this video till the end. If you miss any part of this video, you will miss many things. So now let's jump into the step without any delay. First step is to go to your favorite browser and navigate to your YouTube channel. So here we have navigated to our YouTube channel. Here is Siddhant EduTech. Here you can see the videos intro. So what we have to do is in this one, okay, in this link, as you all can see, in this link we have to just write this much of line of code. Here you can see, let me select it, this much of line of code, that is question mark sub this symbol, then confirmation equals to 1. This one line of code only, okay, and then you have to hit enter. Now okay, so now here you all can see it is asking like, are you sure you want to subscribe to Siddhant EduTech? So now the visitor has two options, to cancel or to subscribe. 90% people will subscribe your channel, okay, 90% of people will subscribe your channel. And but one problem with this link is that here with this link, let me copy this entire link now. Okay, now you have to copy this entire link. Now the visitor can easily know that this is the link of a YouTube video or channel. So to avoid this one, what we are going to do is we are going to move ahead towards our next website, that is here this app.bitly.com. You have to just in Google, you have to search bitly.com, okay, and then you have to make one account that is for free, and then you have to come to this window. Then what you have to do is you have to simply click on this create, and then you have to in this enter long URL, you have to just paste that, okay, this entire link including this sub this one line of code, okay, and then you have to click on this create button, and now you have to click on copy and then click on save. Now you are done. Now let me go to new tab and now let me paste this link. Now no one can guess what will happen if I click in this link. Okay, now when I click this link, see, I will be redirected to something like this, and it will show me this prompt that says, are you sure you want to subscribe to Siddhant EduTech? Yes, I want to subscribe to Siddhant EduTech, and you also have to do this. You have to just click on my channel and go to subscribe if you have not yet. So now we have learned, but now the problem again arises that how we can make this link reachable to other people, okay. So for that, in today's world is the world of social media, and there are many platforms of social media. So what you're gonna do is go to any platform, for example Facebook, YouTube also. So now how YouTube, in the comment section or in the description of your videos you can add that link, or in Twitter, Instagram, or such social media platforms, you're gonna see here, don't click this, okay, don't click this, and you're gonna paste this link. And now you have to just share this link on your favorite social platform. And in this one, what will happen, according to human psychology, we often do the things that we are not asked to do. So what will happen if someone sees this link? He or she will be excited or stimulated that what will happen if I click on this link, and he or she will definitely click on this link, and your subscribers count will increase definitely. Next trick you can do is you can say here, get 1 million subs from here, and then you have to just paste this link. And now what will happen here, it is saying get 1 million subscribers from here. Now the people will be greedy, and he or she will click on this link, and your subscribers will skyrocket. So from this trick, use this trick, and believe it, your subscribers will definitely increase. I bet you this trick is very powerful trick, okay? But you have to use it in an effective way, and you can take the help of the social medias platforms, and you have to simply share this link with your friends. On in the caption you can simply write it. And for the moment, bye, and I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you have, give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you next time. Thanks for watching.